Hi everyone and welcome to another video. I'm just going to be covering the wooden dummy form with a slight difference, i.e. not having a dummy. So a lot of people, they don't have access to a dummy, or if they do have access, they can maybe only train at the school once, twice a week, 3 times a week. Maybe they're not allowed to use the dummy yet, maybe they're not advanced enough. So I'm going to be showing the dummy form in sections. I'm going to be giving you some detail of what you're doing. However, obviously it's best to train, or you can even learn yourself through YouTube or whatever it is. But I'm going to be just going through the dummy, just giving you a way to train yourself without access to one. Okay. So the first section of the traditional Wing Chun form. Okay. So you can start anyway, you can start from a traditional guard, or you can start the same as the forms here, and then sink, and then come out, okay? The first technique is man cell, okay, so it's asking hand. It's come out through the centre, okay? Don't place too much emphasis on the hand, it's just seeking contact with the arm, okay? Thrust forward, then you turn, what's called a lop cell. Pull the arm, and then this comes up through the centre line, behind the head, and pulls, okay? So, 1, 2, and you shift at the same time. So, here, okay? From here, bongs out, okay? Then you step out. Again, don't worry too much about this, because it gets very, very complicated. But you step out, step in, and tarn and palm strike to the body, okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, step out to the side and then forward into the opponent and hit, okay? Then you're stepping back, okay, Gan Sao here, okay? Then Quan Sao, okay? And you're stepping out on the other side, okay, and then coming back in with the same technique as before, tarn and low palm strike, stepping back out, Garn, and from here, Hun Sao, circling hand, and then a tarn, but the tarn is going to be a strike, can be a strike to the eye, so from here, all in one movement, here, okay, this here, you've got to remember the dummy's arms here, dummy's arm, and you're going round it and hitting, okay? Then from here, jut cell, palm, same time, double jut, and finish here into the guard. I'll go through it once more with you guys, slowly, okay? Okay. Let's start with the left hand, up, 1, 2, 3, step out, in 4, step back, out, 5, 6, out and in, 7, back out, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's it guys. So, practice, okay. Most of you guys probably haven't access to a dummy, so it's good to practice. And if you want further detail, leave a comment and I'll be happy to go through more detail with you guys, or via messages or whatever. And of course, if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share, that'd be fantastic. So I'll be continuing the series soon. So until then, train hard and keep safe.